Hello guys, another video here. Today we are tasting this that I made. You see my face? Doesn't look good. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to eat. Right here, you can see that? Can you see that? It does not look good. Trust me. In real life, it will not taste good. Okay, I'll eat the french fries first. Okay. Please, God save me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Bye, God. Okay. That was nothing. It was just hard. I do not recommend to eat the french fries. Okay. Let's try the Coke. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, ask coconut. Yeah. It smells like popping candy. Am I even supposed to drink this? This better not be soy sauce. I swear, if this is soy sauce, I will sue this company. If I can. It's basically a sour Coke with popping candy. That's all that is. Okay. The part that you have all been waiting for. The burger. Yeah, but that doesn't look so good, doesn't it? Okay. This is what it's supposed to look like. You see, right there. You see that? That's what it's supposed to look like. But it looks like nothing. The only good thing in this is kind of the burger and definitely this. I kind of like this. But the french fries, I give a 1, because it was fun to make. Yeah. That's not the end though. I have to wait until I finish eating it all. That'll take maybe 1 hour. Yeah. That's good. The final one. Yeah, I made it. I survived. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Peace out. Wait. Wait.